The TPMS, or tire pressure monitoring system, is a critical safety feature in modern vehicles. When you see this warning light on your dashboard, it's alerting you to a tire pressure issue that needs immediate attention. There are two main types of TPMS warning lights you need to understand. A solid light typically means one or more tires are underinflated. A flashing light indicates a system malfunction. It usually flashes for 60 to 90 seconds before staying solid. Modern TPMS technology has significantly improved. Today's sensors are much more accurate, providing readings within plus or minus 1 psi compared to older systems. They also have longer battery lives, lasting 10 to 15 years instead of the previous 5 to 7 years. Temperature changes are one of the most common causes of TPMS warnings. For every 10-degree Fahrenheit drop in temperature, tire pressure decreases by approximately 1 psi. This chart shows how outside temperature affects recommended tire pressure. The most common causes of TPMS warnings include low tire pressure from temperature changes, dead sensor batteries, typically after 7 or more years, and sensor damage during tire service. Modern regulations now require TPMS systems to detect pressure losses as low as 20%. Before resetting your TPMS system, you must first ensure all tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. This is a critical first step that many people skip. The most common reset method uses the manual TPMS reset button. This button is typically located below the steering wheel or on the dashboard. Here's the exact procedure to follow. If your vehicle doesn't have a reset button, you can use the ignition cycle method. This involves a specific sequence of turning the ignition on and off while pressing the brake pedal. Some vehicles have specific procedures. For example, newer Toyota and Lexus models from 2020 to 2025 require holding the TPMS button until the light blinks twice, then driving above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes. If the TPMS light continues to stay on after multiple reset attempts, or if you need sensor replacements, it's time to seek professional help. Persistent issues often indicate sensor battery failure or system malfunctions that require specialized diagnostic equipment.